You just got the email. The bank says you are officially approved for a $500,000 mortgage. Time to celebrate, right? Wrong. Because signing that paper today might be the single fastest way to destroy your financial future. Today we're doing the brutal math that real estate agents pray you never see. Let's look at the modern housing market. In 2026, $500,000 doesn't buy you a sprawling estate. It buys you a 3-bedroom drywall box with beige carpets from the early 2000s. Quick question, when did starter home start meaning requires a corporate executive salary? The median American household makes about $84,000 a year. Yet society expects you to buy an asset that costs 6 times your annual income. Fact check, if that ratio feels mathematically impossible, it's because it is. You are being gaslit by an industry built on commission checks. Let's break down why this is broken, starting with the entry fee. The old school rule is putting 20% down. That's $100,000 in cash. Meanwhile, the average savings account holds about $8,000. You're not just a little short, you're $92,000 short. Just save up for it, they say. At median income, saving an aggressive 10% a year, it will take you 12 years to hit that down payment. Assuming house prices don't rise, which they will. So, you do what everyone does. You put down 5% or 10%. Congratulations, you just triggered PMI, private mortgage insurance. This is essentially a poverty tax of up to $400 a month. You are paying extra money to protect the bank from you because you weren't rich enough to start with. But let's say you get the loan. Your monthly payment on $450,000 at current rates is roughly $2,850. Not terrible, right? Welcome to the hidden cost iceberg, where your budget goes to sink. Add $500 a month for property taxes. Add $300 for homeowners insurance, which is exploding in cost right now. Add $417 a month for maintenance because water heaters only explode on Sundays at midnight. And add $300 for that PMI leech. Your $2,800 mortgage is actually $4,367 every single month. To comfortably afford that using standard financial rules, you need to make at least $150,000 to $187,000 a year. Only 20% of Americans do. You might think, well, couples with good jobs can do it. Let me introduce you to a hypothetical couple making $160,000 a year, solidly upper middle class. Income sounds great until the IRS takes their cut. Their actual take-home pay is about $9,500 a month. Subtract that $4,367 housing cost, and nearly half their money is instantly vaporized. Subtract car payments, gas, student loans, groceries, and internet. They are left with roughly $1,500 for clothing, kids' stuff, medical bills, and any attempt at a social life. This isn't living the dream. This is checking your bank app before buying eggs. This is sheer panic when the car's check engine light comes on. They are house poor. The system is engineered to get you into a house, not to keep you financially sane. So, what is the solution? Stop. If your household makes less than $140,000, do not buy a $500,000 house. I don't care what the bank approved you for. Give yourself permission to opt out of the madness. You can choose to rent, keep your housing costs low, and invest the difference in the market. You can look at smaller homes. You can relocate to markets where the math actually aligns with reality. True wealth isn't having your net worth trapped in drywall while you eat ramen. True wealth is cash flow, margin in your budget, and the freedom to sleep peacefully at night. Let's recap. The housing market has detached from income reality. A $500,000 house requires an elite income to comfortably sustain. The bank profits when you sign. The realtor profits when you close. You are the only one left holding the bag for the next 30 years. It is not a personal failure to look at a rigged game and decide not to play. So I want to hear from you. Are you currently renting to avoid this trap? Or did you buy a house and instantly get hit by the hidden costs? Let me know down in the comments. If you want more financial truth without the industry fluff, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.